Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Porsche Cayenne. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies, including a new oil filter, fresh engine oil, a wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your engine is warm, but not scalding hot, to allow the oil to drain more easily. Safely lift your Cayenne using jack stands or a hydraulic lift, ensuring it's stable and level. Now, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Carefully remove the drain plug with your wrench, allowing the old oil to flow out completely. This process can take several minutes. While it's draining, inspect the drain plug for any damage and replace the crush washer to ensure a tight seal when you reinstall it. Once the old oil has fully drained, remove the old oil filter, which is often located near the engine block. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on by hand until snug. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, carefully pour the recommended amount and type of new engine oil into the fill port. After adding the new oil, replace the oil cap and lower your vehicle. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, then turn it off and recheck the oil level. Top up if necessary. Also, visually inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. For other great deals, and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.